Hello my dudes, welcome back to the channel. So before we do continue this video, I just want to take a second of your time to thank the company that is going to assist me with fixing the dent on my car today. The company is called DENT Auto Custom, so please check them out guys, it will be highly appreciated. And also just want to thank Zahir for actually giving me the details. Thanks a lot bro. Also like to thank each and every one that has made contact with me and sent me a few companies' names to assist me with my dent, as well as Mr. Late for actually giving me the guy that personally does his dents on his car as well. Thanks a lot bro. So what we do also have planned for today is to meet up with Tyler. Tyler is the guy with the Type R. So me and him is going to meet up at a mutual friend of ours, Dyno, around today. Xcede Performance, owned by Xcede, also known as Autohound. So yeah, I'm going to link up with him and show you guys a few dyno runs, and hopefully my dent gets fixed in the same day. So yeah, without further ado, let's bust the move. Okay guys, so the car is all cleaned up. Let me just refresh you guys' memory. This is the dent over here that is going to fix. Then there is a dent over here and over here that I might just ask him to fix as well. So yeah, let's go. Hey guys, so we just popped in there by Xcede Performance because I was actually waiting for the guy to get home, and then he just mentioned now that he's home. So the plan is basically to fix a dent and then maybe go back to Xcede and get some more dyno runs for you guys as well. So I think I'm very close right now. Yeah, so I'll just show you guys how they fix the dent.
Lava.
So you use a glue gun, no?
A glue gun, yes. This is my puller. I'm gonna use to try to pull it in. Try to pull it in out. So 80%, and I need to press it off.
Yo my dudes, if you're watching this, just like to thank you for making it to the end of this video. So it's actually a few days later. I wasn't able to create an outro because it got a little bit dark.
Lava.
However, I am busy fitting a South African domestic market or SDM rear bumper diffuser for a race car. Today, so I just sort out, maybe just give you guys a walk around on the dents that has been fixed. So as you guys can see, I am busy fitting this diffuser. This is for K24 race car. SDM is my new brand. It's also known as South African domestic market. I'll just elaborate on that in a future video, maybe when I show you guys the installation of this. So yeah, this is the car, guys. Let me just show you the dent on the fender. So as you guys can see, the fender or the dent is gone, and then there was a dent on the side over here. It's also gone. There was also two dents over here, two large dents actually. That's also been removed. And then just as a bonus, I tried my luck and just asked Dent Auto Custom or Abdullah to maybe fix this dent for me as well, and he did. As you guys can see, I think a stone went against here, so that is why the paint is actually removed. I might just touch it up, but that dent is also removed. So yeah guys, I'm very happy with the outcome. I'd highly recommend you guys making contact with him and using his service. Also guys, moving forward, he will now be my sponsor that will be assisting me with my dents as well as polishing the car, etc. So he did mention before winter he's going to give the car a full polish. So yeah, please guys, make contact with him for any dents. His prices are very good and his workmanship is good as well. So if you did like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace.